Good morning, folks. We are up and at it getting gas. We are now headed to Moab. On the way, we are going to be stopping at Zion National Park and riding through there. So we got about an 8-hour day on the bike today. Alright folks, we have made it to Zion National Park. Just a view before we go through the park here. It's gorgeous out here. Like riding out here. I'm like in the street. Let me get my ass out the street.
Quick, get your ass at the street, girl.
What you think, Red Eye?
I think Travis swung that motherfucker to the left, to the right. And he was like, oop, oop, oop. I'm pretty sure it's darker than when I started. Put them up back on. It's bright out here. Yo, that's all I gotta say.
Say, fool.
We gonna show y'all this view in a minute.
Yeah.
Make you motherfuckers wait because you ain't here.
Hey, you can't do it no justice. You got to be here. You know what I'm saying?
This video ain't finna do no justice.
Bro, Utah is fucking beautiful.
But it's hot as fuck. I wouldn't live here.
Yep. But, hey, man.
Unless you want some extra wives, just on that road. You scared of heights? This ain't for you.
Hey, I gotta support your boy with the pictures.
We are in Zion National Park, riding through the mountains, enjoying this beautiful view. I mean, you gotta be here to actually enjoy it, but y'all gonna get here close enough. We have arrived at our next destination of Moab, Utah. Let me show y'all the views. These are gorgeous here. This is where we're at. Don't worry, I'll get a little clip for you. Sunset, amazing. We got the red mountains right there. Then there's actually a big mountain in the back. Way back there. We don't have this shit in Texas. But then I need to come over here and show y'all that. Hold on, so we'll walk where he just came from. Oh, you got a lot of extra energy right now, huh? So far, 2,000 some miles we done did so far. All been well worth it. Wouldn't take back any. Well, I mean, I say that. The mountain riding,